Good morning. This is another English video session of class 10. Now yesterday I gave you a question and asked you to try so that we can check for the answers in the today's class. Yes. Provides to the homeless the government night shelters. The government provides night shelters to the homeless. Now look at the questions. Are more than there in your 2000 homeless living too. Only 5 nights but shelters for 2 are available. Great, have hope the homeless from government deep. Plans worthy launched has minister prime the present. Or worthy these already plans in progress. Okay. Can you write the answers? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you just call after 10 minutes? I am in the video session.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay. There are more than 2000 homeless living in your town. Okay. But only 4 or 5 night shelters are available. Okay. The homeless have great hope from the government. The present Prime Minister has launched worthy plans. Okay. These worthy plans are already in progress. See, such statements there is only facts. When the sentences are fact associated, try to organize what is there in the subject and what must be there in the object. If you are going to interchange these two, the meaning will be lost. Okay, these are all the news reports, the statements given. So we need to be very careful. The content as well as the where the subject should be. You exchange it, the meaning is lost. Is that clear? So we need to be more careful under such sentences. Is it clear? So shall we go to the next one? Let's see what is there in the next. Yes. Please write in sports requirements, dedication, interest, are and. There is absolutely no capitals given in the question. So you need to find out which is the first one. First and foremost, when you are taking the first one should be, if your first 1 or 2 words are right, the entire thing will be right. If your starting itself is wrong, make sure it is 200% sure your answer is wrong. Okay? Yes. Find out. Dedication and interest are 2 requirements in sports. Okay? Dedication and interest are 2 requirements in sports. As some sports people easy very consider. Is the required hard work truth rigorous that day? Also is and training sports essential part of. Also values sports morally high require. Discipline teach spirit and sport team. Listen to the some answers are very, when you read it aloud, you are able to understand what is the meaning behind it, and you will easily be able to put this and words and unscramble the words and make it into a proper sentence. Let us take the first one. Some people consider sports as very easy. See, look at the way they have divided. Each word is divided. Whenever there is a simple words are also divided, there the confusion rate is more. Okay? Yes. The truth is that they require rigorous hard work. They require rigorous hard work. Training is also an essential part of sports. Training is essential part of the sports. Sports also require high moral values. Okay. Sports teach discipline and team spirit. Is that clear? Sports teach discipline. Team spirit and discipline, if you write, it is also correct. See, when determine this one, like words connectors like and yet, you can exchange this to that. There is nothing wrong in it. Okay. But you can't do it in other places, the subject and the verb. Some places the subject and the object will exchange. Meaning will not change. Meaning will not change. But you have to find out if that sentence has got the logical meaning, the context is correct. Check. Do not just close your eyes and write. Okay. Shall we go to the next question? Okay. See here, population ruling young people in India, the will be corporation soon. Yes, can you try? Yes, see, soon young population will be ruling the corporations of India. See the other questions. Has largest India population, the young, our countries in this. Read it out and then you will find it. You first write the question, open your mouth, read, you will get the connectors and you will write it. After writing it, I will tell the answers, you check it out. Yes, let us see the answer. India has the largest population of the young. Of the young is already given together. So your headache is gone. Okay. Now, in this way, India has an edge over other developing countries. In this way is given together. So, you can either in this way should be in the middle or it should be in the beginning. So, now one clarity comes. In this way, India has an edge over other developing countries. Shall we go to the next? Only the youth can be source of creativity. Next, the country's development depends on the youth. Today's, look at the sentence, today's youth are citizens of tomorrow. Okay, did you find everything correct? Very nice. If you are able to write all the questions correct, then your improvement, I think for the past 2-3 days we are doing this only. In that case, you have improved, the speed has increased in you. But make sure that then and there you work it out, because you need to keep your mind fresh. Then and there you have to update with, no need to do so many, do at least 2 or 3 every day. Practice at least 2 or 3. Okay. So you are in touch with it and you will be able to do things better. Clear? Shall we go to the next question? So far what you have done, you find it easy to do it? You are getting confidence in what you are doing? Yes. So the more the confidence, the more, when you are facing the examination, you will take lesser the time also it will be, the answers will be correct. Is that clear? Okay. Thank you children. I will come with the next question, another question in the next class. Okay. Thank you children. Bye.